I think we've learned a lot in the 15 years, and so maybe that has been the most valuable thing. The biggest impact we've had so far has been in childhood health. We created in the year 2000 this group called Gavi, has saved over 10 million lives. And a lot of kids who would have been sick and not fully developed, even if they'd survived, the vaccines have made a big difference for them. So that one's the best, and everything else has to be measured by that kind of breakthrough success.
Indeed, it's hard to top saving 10 million lives. What was the biggest mistake?
Well, a lot of things required us to get in and try out pilot programs and see what would work. In education, the structure of high schools, trying to make it so they weren't quite so big. We saw some benefits there, but that alone wasn't enough. How you get teachers more feedback about what they're good at and how they improve, letting them be exposed to other teachers doing things better. That we've gone through many iterations. We have some pilot sites that have gone very, very well. But still today, the secret to how you raise the average teacher up to be as good as the top 10%, not yet solved, and yet so valuable, and some places where we have that result that we do want to figure out how to scale it up. So a lot of things take more time than I expect.
How about the most valuable lesson you learned?
Well, our early years, we thought we were so naive, we should just work on our own, invest in science, not try and team up and influence joint strategies. As we got further down the learning curve, particularly in health, then we saw that we needed to come together with the government aid budgets and the groups in the field. So how you develop those partnerships, whether it's with the UN groups like UNICEF and WHO, country groups like USAID, the nonprofit groups like MSF or CARE, Save the Children, building on our complementary strengths where we understand R&D better than these groups. They understand the field better than we do. How you make all that come together, that kind of partnership model has been a huge learning curve, and I do think we're far better at it now than ever.